Hey kids, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off with a word statistical question. What is this? It is one that can be answered by collecting data where there will be variability. Meaning there will be more than one in the data set. Alright, so let's go ahead and go to question one. Zoom in so you can see. First one says, which shows a statistical question regarding a data set. So we got a few questions. The first one says, what is the total number of ounces in a pound? That's not going to be more than one in a data set. The next one says, what is the total number of wheels on a tricycle? We already know it's only 3. It's not, if they said in 15 tricycles, then it'd be different, but it's only talking about one tricycle, so it's not going to be a statistical question. Next one, what is the total number of ounces in a pint-sized container? No, it's not going to be. It's going to be D because it says what is the total number of students who brought water bottles to lunch. So it can be a variability of different students who brings water bottles. Next one. Which shows is okay, we already know what the question is. What is the total number of tires on the tricycle? Once again, that's not going to be it. What is the total number of letters in a word? We don't know which word, right? That could be a maybe. What is the total number of months in a year? We already know that's 12. It's not going to change. And what is the total number of stripes in the flag? That's not going to change either. It's going to be B. All right, next one. Let me see if I can just, there we go. Next one. What is the total number of letters in the alphabet? We know it's 26. It's not going to change. Next one. What is the total number of centimeters in a meter? Nope. What is the total number of digits in the U.S. telephone number? 7. So it's not going to change. What is the total number of math problems assigned for homework? It could be changed. So that's going to be that one. And then the last one. What is your favorite color? Come on now. No, that's not going to be it. What is the total number of eggs in 5 dozens? Well, you know it's 5 times 12. You know, that's not going to be it. It's going to be 60, so nope. What is the total number of ounces in a gallon? We know that's not going to be it. And then what is the height of the tallest player on the team? We didn't know. It could be different variables. It could be different. So that's going to be our statistical question. All right. Let's move on. I'm just going to write down the answers for these so we can move along and go by. The next one, the answer for this one is going to be A. And then we have 6, which is going to be A. And then we have 7, which is going to be D. And then lastly, 8, which is going to be A. Alright, moving on. Alright, here's some fun work. Let me fix my camera so you can see that. Alright, here we go. Let me zoom in just a little bit. Alright, the test scores of the students in 4 classes are summarized below. Answer the questions about them. Class A, the mean is 108 and the range is 32. Class B, the mean is 104, the range is 35. Class C, the mean is 111 and the range is 34. And then Class D, the mean is 105 and the range is 38. Based on the information above, which class has the highest score on average? So we all know mean is the average. Mean, so you can focus, there we go, equals average. So whenever you see mean, it means it talks about the average. So which one of these have the highest average that they give us? There's only one answer to this. The highest average is going to be Class A. Because they have a mean or an average of 100. Oh, I lied. Wow. What in the world's wrong with me? Actually, the highest average is C. Because they have 111. Based on the information above, which classes scores have the least variability? So in order to figure out the least variability, we're going to look at the range of each. So the least variability means we need to have the smallest range. Now the smallest range that I have is going to be 32, which is Class A. Again, so we have our mean 31, 37, 36, 40, range 26, 27, 21, 22. Based on the information above, which team has the oldest members on average? The oldest, so you're going to find the highest range, meaning the oldest. So the oldest is going to be D, because their average is 40, which is pretty old. Now we got to look for the teams with the most variability. Remember, we started with the least, so we want the smallest range. So because this asks for the most variability, we want the highest range. So the highest range between these is going to be 26. So the highest range or the most variability is going to be Team A. Next one. This one is asked, well, here go my mean or average. Here go my range. So the first one we're asked for the highest scores or average. Once again, find the highest average, which is going to be 115, which is Class D. And then we're gonna have we got to pay attention. This says most variability, meaning the highest range, which is going to be 35, which is Class B. I actually want you to skip these two. Don't worry about those two. I want you to focus on the last three back here. So which of the following best represents a measure of center for the values in the data set? So we know what the center is the median, right? So we have the median. So we're gonna look at each question. So only the mean. I wouldn't say that. First of all, what is our mean? So we gotta add all these up and divide it by how many numbers we have. When I add all these up, I believe I get 70. 70 divided by 7, which is 10. So my mean is going to be 10. I mean, yes, the mean is definitely in the middle, so we can definitely use that. But let's keep going. Interquartile range, that's definitely not going to be it. Both the mean and the median. What is my median? Let's figure that out. Remember, my median is the number in the middle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cross out and see. Ooh. See, I have 2 in the middle, right? Actually, I lied. Ooh, my median is 10. So both my mean and my median are the same, so that is very true. So C is going to be my answer. This D is not going to be answered because it has interquartile range, which is not true at all. Which statement best represents the meaning of the range for these data? The difference between the shortest and the longest. So you know the range, right? Range is the highest minus the lowest. Okay, the difference between the shortest and longest fish is 12. So my highest is going to be 21 and my lowest is going to be 9. 21 minus 9 is what? 12. So this could be a maybe. The length of the next fish caught will most likely be 12. No. The longest fish caught is 13. No. They are equal. So your answer is going to be A, the difference between the shortest and the longest fish, which is 12 inches. Last one, which statement best describes the mean? We all know what the mean is. Mean equals what? Average. So the middle value of the orders data set is 7. I mean, let's first figure out our mean. Can you guys see this? No, you cannot. There you go. first I got to figure out what is my mean. So here I'm about to add up all my numbers. 10 plus 7 plus 9 plus 5 plus 8 plus 6 plus 7 plus 3 plus 10 plus 5 plus 7. I'm going to get 77 divided by how many numbers I have, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We all know 77 divided by 11 is 7. So I know it's 7. So the middle value of the order, that's false. No, it is not. The value that occurs most often, no, that is your mode. The difference, no, that is your what? Your range. This one, the sum of all the data values divided by the number of data values is 7, which is true. That is your mean.